Hi everyone, my name is Manisha, and for today's video, I'm going to be reacting to NCT 127's Fire Truck, and this is their debut. You don't understand how excited I feel right now. Like, I've seen the pictures and stuff, and they all look so different, and like, it somewhat scares me. They all look so good, and then like, okay, let me just begin or else I'm gonna get overly hyped. I saw the teaser, and I think it's gonna be good. Sorry. I feel like it's gonna be lit. Okay, who's this girl? Oh god. Taeyong! Taeyong isn't even my bias. This kid. Damn! Rapping? Hey. If I get too excited, sorry. Oh my god, don't choke. Tail! Oh my god, I can't imagine Tail doing this at all. Oh my god, you talk! What's up with his hair? It's so curly. Oh yeah, win. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on react to the live stage. Oh my god. Mark! They all look so good. Oh my god. So this is more of like a rap kind of song, I guess. You're going a little crazy. Hey. She sounds so young. I'm gonna cry. Let me go. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But when flying, okay, I'm so confused as to what this is about. Obviously, all I know is that they come in and they slow. That's my tail. That's my tail. Sing it, boy. Oh my god, he said that the teaser at the end. Oh my god. And I think the choreography is looking sick. Okay, I'm loving NCT more and more. Yo, SM, they're doing good right now. Because it's like, they're so different from like, yeah, they're so different from like a typical SM boy group. I loved it. Okay, so there was a lot of white people, not being racist or anything, but it was really random. That's all I gotta say. So soon I'm gonna be uploading live stage one because I really want to see this, and my reaction is going to be probably like flying out the window because I'm too excited about this and hyped. If you enjoyed this reaction, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment down below what other music videos I should react to, and don't forget to subscribe because why not? And that's it. Bye.